How to verify a PayPal account. To comply with the regulation, we need to confirm your identity as the owner. We will say okay, and we also need to confirm the debit card. So we'll say to use PayPal features, confirm your identity, provide information, and help us to keep PayPal community safe and comply. So you need to confirm your identity. Usually you can confirm everything instantly. Sometimes you will be asked to provide additional information. We'll get started. So identity, these are my names. Nationality is Kenya. We'll be able to select one phone number. We'll be able to put it. We'll be able to select one, either driving license, passport, or national ID. We'll be able to pick national ID. We are told select your document, national ID, then a current national ID issued by the country for the purpose of identification, both sides. So we'll be able to drag and drop them here. Here there are the documents that I've uploaded. Ensure do not exceed size of 5 MBs, and now we are ready to submit. At that point, all it remains will be able to submit document, and our people will be verified. I'll put a follow-up screenshot in my community tab confirming that all things went through. You can see proof of identity has gone through.